the surf, or roam across a Saxon landscape, treading ancient turf. And often after working hard, folk took heart from the mason's yard, where rowan trees and angels guard a tiny patch of earth. John, his son, worked there, selling headstones by the Tweed, and angels deep in prayer. Several monarchs came and went, the craftsmen carved and clients spent, until the place fell silent with its future in the air. Then the only movement came from branches in the breeze, and passers-by found friends in the pair of rowan trees. Unspoken was the sentiment, this tranquil scene was heaven sent. The pillaging of such a place no living soul foresees. The people from the port came down like wolves upon the fold. They ripped up both the rowan trees, caring not how old. No niceties did they observe, nor nature's beauty they preserve. We never saw it coming from hearts so stony cold. Riverside, the Port of Berwick went quite mad, and both the rowans died. They banished Wilson's angels just to make the matter worse, and now they'll have to live with fearing Rowan's ancient curse.